Asking for and giving personal information. What's your name? My name is Jenny. Or you can also say, I'm Jenny. What's your last name? My last name is Gray. Do you have a nickname? My friends call me Jen. Or you can also say, people call me Jen. What do you do? I'm a student. How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have one brother and two sisters. How old are you? I'm 18 years old. When is your birthday? My birthday is on May 21st. What year were you born? I was born in 2002. Where are you from? I'm from Japan. Where do you live? I live in Tokyo. What's your phone number? It's 090-1234-5678. What's your email address? It's gen0521@gmail.com. What type of movies do you like? I love action movies. What type of music do you like? I love rock music. What sport do you like? I like volleyball. Do you have pets? Yes, I have a dog. What's your favorite food? I love pizza.